Hi, this is Lana Nguyen.
And I'm Alexia Nguyen with the C21 So team.
Welcome to our latest listing at 1036 Carnelian Terrace in Union City.
This home features 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, over 1,200 square feet, and 2-car garage.
Let's take a tour.
Come on in. Now, one thing I like about this community is that you've got a super low HOA, about $240 a month, but you still got some great amenities like a pool and a clubhouse for you to enjoy those hot summer days.
Look at this amazing kitchen. You have marble countertops with double sink, a gas cooktop, built-in microwave, as well as a beautiful newer fridge.
Now I'm in the dining area, and one of my favorite features is that you've got a large breakfast nook to serve 4 guests quick meals. You've got a work from home area, and you've also got a formal dining area overlooking the beautiful community greenbelt.
I'm here in the living room, and what's amazing about this space is you have a lot of natural light. You have easy access to the dining and the kitchen area, as well as very spacious.
Now, in addition, you've got a patio door here, so you can actually have nice relaxing meals on the balcony overlooking the beautiful community greenbelt. Dog is not included.
What I love about this master is you have a lot of natural light, you have big windows, as well as a closet and bathroom soaking tub just right here.
Now we're here in the second master suite with its own private bathroom. It's got a ton of upgrades.
And high ceiling, fresh painting, and lots of natural lights.
The smaller bathroom features a vanity, upgraded tile floors, as well as a bathtub with a shower. Then you've got a little laundry area upstairs for convenience, which features a full-size washer and dryer. From the living room, you can enter the finished 2-car garage with automatic opener, and it has a ton of extra storage right underneath.
This home is close by to the BART station as well as half a mile from the James Logan High School. We're here at Union Landing, which is a big plaza in Union City. It has a Krispy Kreme's, Century Theaters, much more, and also the only Texas Roadhouse in the Bay Area. Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.